Hey Nicole, rumor has it you have a wicked arm.
Oh yeah, I do. Betcha I can hit Assiniboine Park from here.
No shot.
I'll prove it.
Wow, incredible. Nicole, can you throw it to Superstore?
Superstore? That's so close, it's easy.
Holy crap! Do you think she can hit Corydon from here?
No problem.
This location is incredible. There's tons of amenities around. Tell me more about what this house has to offer.
Well, we got this beautiful living room, hardwood floors, gorgeous detailing on the ceilings, and beautiful new windows.
Wow, look at this spacious kitchen and these incredible views in the backyard.
This bathroom is incredible with floor to ceiling tile, beautiful vanity. Somebody's gonna love this.
Wow, fully finished basement over here. 2 additional rooms to keep productive. This extra den space, great for entertaining. The mechanical is updated. Sweet.
This backyard is incredible. Beautiful deck space, double detached garage.
Larger, newer fencing, and more importantly, there's no neighbors back here. Wow.